Hi, good morning. It's Marnay. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, check out some of my other videos. It's November 1st. It's morning, late morning. I've took a shower and washed the gray right out of my hair. And I'm a little plain faced, so I thought maybe I would go over a little bit of a makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup and my hair. So getting my day started, I want to share with you a few things. I'm trying to play catch up to videos because I've been busy. It's a busy life here at the farmhouse. I'd like to take you out, meet my animals, and maybe work on some things in my sewing room today. So let's get started with getting myself put together. This is my normal routine. So I took a shower. I have no makeup on, but I have some moisturizer here. It's from Mary Kay. It's the Time Wise. So I'm gonna apply some of that to my face. I'm not a big moisturizer fan, but probably got a little too much here. But this stuff does make my skin feel good, so I'm just gonna put it on and make it feel good. Gotta be careful not to get this in my eyes. Okay, feels good. I'm a simple girl. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, although I do love makeup. But I don't overdo it. Keep my stuff very simple, pretty basic. I don't have anything fancy. Usually I wear CoverGirl. I've worn CoverGirl makeup since I was 13 years old when I started wearing makeup. So my first thing after I put my moisturizer on, I have this CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless. I love this stuff. It's creamy, it goes on, and I use the creamy natural because I like to be myself. I want to look natural, I guess I should say. I want it to feel natural and without overdoing it. I am 53 years old. I'm soon to be 54 in another week. I'm very proud of my age. I feel good about my age. Anybody that's older out there, feel good about yourself when we make it this far in life, you know, and still be able to look halfway decent. There's nothing wrong with being older. I feel good about myself. Still feel young, which is a good thing. I think you're as young as you feel. I still like to look good. Maybe I already said that, but alright, so I get that on there and get my face kind of smoothed out. This stuff really hides red spots and blemishes, and I kind of pat it in there. Like I said, I'm not going to cover up all my flaws, but it definitely evens out my skin a little bit. You know, a lot of people wear different kinds of makeup and different stuff, and I don't know. I'm just a simple girl. So I like to go over that with some CoverGirl compressed powder that I like, and I have a nice big brush, and I just kind of go over top of my cream makeup with this just to kind of, I don't know, smooth it out. I'm trying to keep a natural look and hide all my red spots, and you know, I say I'm 53 years old, I still get pimples and stuff. I thought that was for teenagers, but I don't know. I guess at any age you can get things on your face, but I try to keep my face looking, my complexion, I want my complexion to look clean and clear. So next I have this CoverGirl Cheekers, which I use a lot. I'll probably do for a new one soon, but, and I have a simple little brush that I like to put that on. I like to have some color in my face. Kind of give you a healthy glow, I guess. I don't leave my house without makeup on. I like to keep it simple and look mostly natural, but I don't feel too confident about myself with no makeup. But I don't know. Got my cup of tea here. Sorry, I gotta have a drink. All right. Not huge on eyeshadows, but I have this Rimmel. These are like natural colors or smoky colors. I like a little highlight on my eye, but I don't like to over dramatize, so I just stick with simple colors. Today I'm wearing gray, so my gray t-shirt. So I think I'll just put on some gray shadow just to kind of highlight my lid. I'm not like a lot of you girls out there that, you know, do the smoky eye and all that. I'm just trying to give my eye a little color or a little hint of color without overdoing it too much. Like I said, I don't really have a huge makeup routine. One thing I do wish about makeups is I wish makeups would do like tutorials of how you properly wear makeup. I don't know, I come from a long line of makeup wearers, and my mother likes to wear makeup. I guess maybe I get it from her, but I don't like to wear a lot or have it too dark. So next I have this Better Than Sex from Too Faced. This comes from Ultra Beauty. I love this stuff, and I put it on my upper lid and kind of created out like a cat eye. I also have the mascara in this that's Better Than Sex, and I recommend it. If you haven't tried it, you'll love it. It's been on the Today Show a couple years ago. It was one of the most popular mascaras. It really enhances your eyelashes. But this here is just a liner. I like it because it's liquid and it just goes on. It goes on really, really smooth. The only thing about this is it leaves a little line over my eye, so I have to get a Q-tip and clean it off. So I think I like how that looks. Sometimes I don't always get it perfect, and I have to take it off and redo it, but I'm staying home today, so I'm just giving a little skit on how I do my makeup for a 54-year-old, soon to be. Give me 1 second, I gotta get a Q-tip. These ready. Like I said, my liner kind of leaves like a little stripe, a racing stripe above my eye. So I just have to get a little Q-tip and wet it and kind of clean it off. I have enough wetness on my Q-tip. This one, not so much. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, mascara. Better Than Sex. It's awesome. I don't know if it's Better Than Sex, but I love it. might take a couple coats of this to get what I want. Just simple. Little makeup goes a long way. I'm a minimalist. I'm a minimalist. I love my makeup, but I don't have a huge makeup routine. And when I go to work, I can usually get ready within an hour. I like my makeup as a quick routine to get it on and get my hair pulled back and go to work. But I'm home today, so I thought I'd just take my little time and make myself feel like a woman. Everybody should feel good about themselves, even if it's just something little, you know. Makes yourself feel better. I don't do it for anybody, I do it for me. This is how I like to look. It makes me feel good. And it also makes me feel ageless, I guess. I don't know, like I said. Very proud of my age, and I'm very proud of who I am. So now I think I'm going to put a few curls in my hair and I'll call it good. Oh, and brush my teeth, of course, but I'm not going to go through the whole spew of that with you. I'm just giving you a peek into my world. I know there's a lot of critics out there. I'm just a regular girl. This is just a little look into my life and what I do and how I do things, I guess. I don't know. I feel like life has dealt me a tough deck of cards, but I always felt like I've made do, and I'm happy, you know? So my hair has a little bit of a natural curl to it, and I colored my hair this morning. I washed that gray right out of my hair. I used the Clairol Nutrice Lightest Natural Blonde. When I was a little girl, I was a bright natural blonde, so yeah, I enhanced my hair a little bit, but I like being a blonde. My dad likes it. So I've just kept this color. I've come from a long family of hair dyers. My grandmother on my mom's side kept her hair colored. My mom colors her hair. Sometimes I think she changes her color too often, but that's her choice and her prerogative. I've been a blonde and I've been a redhead. My hair is naturally probably brown, or as I like to say, naturally gray at my age, but there's nothing wrong with looking good for your age. Okay. Maybe a few more. Like I said, I'm not going to do anything fancy with my hair today. You because it's just a stay-at-home day, and I kind of wanted to do some projects in my sewing room, so maybe I will take you all in there later. I'll probably post up a couple different videos for anybody that's interested in watching or getting a peek into my world. I hope I'm somewhat entertaining for you. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes I think my life's pretty boring. But if you're bored, you're more than welcome to peek in, stop in. I hope maybe that this is helpful to somebody out there. I don't know. All right, so I just need some earrings, and I have some right here. I have pierced ears, and yes, I put my backs on. When I was 10 years old, I got my ears pierced. My mom pierced my ears, and the challenge of being a 10-year-old girl and putting earrings in, I would sit in front of the mirror for, seems like hours, figuring out how to get these little backs on. But now it's really nothing. I mean, I just gotta find there. Find the little hole and get it on. I don't know. My fingers are just, oops, I don't lose it. My fingers are just very, they find everything. I don't know, maybe it's just something I'm used to. I can't explain it. Everything is a feel thing for me. And when I feel, I just feel, and you get used to it, I guess. I don't know. I'm used to it. Just different. Anyway, a little bit better than when I started. Talk to you later. Bye.